All right, guys, welcome everyone. I'm Mr. Bennett. Today we're looking at some questions. I want you guys to attempt them as usual. So go ahead and do it. It says find the value of 26.32 plus 38.8 divided by 13.16 minus 11.56. I'll be doing quite a few questions. So I really want you guys to go ahead and work it. If you're not on the live and you're watching it later, pause the video for each and attempt all the questions, please. It's very important that you try on your own. You're doing exam in 2 weeks also. So less than 2 weeks. You're the one doing the exam. Mr. Bennett cannot do it for you. So I'm imploring or encouraging you to do your best. Start from now, all right? All right. So by now, you guys should have completed that. So I'm hoping that you would have used your calculator. This is paper 2, and you are allowed to use your calculator. So go ahead and use it. So when my calculator tells me that this is equal to, the top is equal to 65.12. So we subtract this now to the 13.16 minus 11.56, and that is equal to 1.6. Now all we do is now divide 65.12 by 1.6, and that's it. 2 easy marks. I didn't do a fraction because I did an entire live for almost 2 hours on fractions. Who did not know? Yeah. So walk around. Next time, later. So that is equal to 40.7. My neighbor, let's include it. So let's go to number 2. And it says write 101.6064, and you must write the exact value. Again, guys, as you can see, you will need a calculator. So you have to press the square root of 101.6064. Whatever the calculator tells you, that would be the answer. And this is equal to 10.08. Easy marks. And they go ahead and they say you must round it off to 1 decimal place. So we go to the second digit. One decimal place means only one number must be after the decimal point. So we have 2. So we're going to round it down to 1, right? So we go to the second one, which is 8. If it's 5 and over, you add 1 to this. If it's 4 or less, you drop it, right? So this is equal to 10. Add 1 to this, to 0, you get 1. And that is your answer. And they said to 2 significant figure. So to 2 significant figure, it would be 10. Now they ask us now to do it in standard form. We're supposed to put the original. So let me just write the original, 10.08. Now standard form means it must be between 0 and 10. So it's 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something, 5 point something, 6 point something. So you find, so go this way and we put the decimal point right here because it was originally here. So we can rewrite this. So it's 1.008 times 10 to something. How many places did we move? We move 1 place. So it is today 1. And this is going to remain. We're not going to put negative because we are going to the left. Because if we multiply 1.08 times 10, we just move the decimal point one place, but the answer must remain the same. So this is indeed correct as it is. So it's 1.008 times 10 to the 1. That completes number 2. And guys, be very careful. Share my channel with others. This might actually be the actual exam, these questions. No joke about it. All right, let us look at this one now. And this can be our question 3 setup. So it says x is equal to 2, y is equal to -5, z is equal to 3. Find the value of x minus 2y. So let us just put in the values that we are given. So x is 2, so it's 2 minus, and they gave us y also. So y is equal to -5, so we put 2. I'm just gonna put the negative. For this video, I'm gonna try to put the negatives in red. So that's 5. So we must do the bracket first. All right, guys. So -2 times that would give us +10. So the answer would be 12. 10 plus 2, 12. This can be a bit tricky, not to my students, all right? Let us look at this one now. Using the same values, we must do xz squared. Now go ahead and do that, xz squared. Remember, x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. So let us just, you guys should be finished by now. These are very simple, guys. I don't expect you guys to be a part of my channel and be struggling with this. And I'm serious about it. All right, so let's go ahead. Oh, remember, guys, share the video, like the video too, please, so other people can get benefit of it also. So let us write what we know. So this is 2. Z now is 3 squared. So according to the Bundas rule, we must square first. Square mean multiply by itself, right? So this gives us 3 times 3. This gives us 9, and 2 nines, 18. We must follow the Bundas rule. All right, guys. Look at this one now. This one says 7x plus 2z divided by y. Again, this is just substitution. We're going to substitute the values. We're going to do it right over here. So 7, the rain is coming down. 7 times 2 plus 2 times 3 upon y, which is -5. Let's rewrite this. I don't like carnival. Plus 2 times 3 upon -5. All right, let's just kill it in a jiffy. 7 2 is 14. The bracket mean multiply. 2 times 3, 6 upon -5, right? Oh no, it's a leak, man. This marker is leaking. Big up St. Mary's College for these marker. So this would give us 20 divided by -5, and that will give us -4. So answer would be -4. So it's 20, 14 plus 6, 20, divided by -5, that gives us 20. All right, so on to the next one. I want you guys to attempt this one also. Get it right so everybody can see. So this one says, given that A is equal to 4, B equal 2, C equal -1, find the value of A minus B plus C. Go ahead and do that, guys. Guys, remember, go ahead, try, leave a comment. Very important. Try and try and try so we can compare answers. Again, this is substitution, so let's go right into it. So it's A is 4, so it's 4. What's B? B is 2, so as I said, we're gonna use negative 2. Red mark cannot move so good, but I'm gonna use it still. Plus C, which is negative 1, right? So this is very simple. We can just say 4 minus 2. That gives us positive 2. So it's 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And next way you could do it, you could say negative 2 and negative 1 give you a negative 3. So it would be 4 minus 3, and it still would be positive 1. Let's just look at this one, 2a raised to the b power, right? Let us put in what we know. We know that this is 2 times a, which is 4, raised to b, b is 2. So again, we say 4, 4, 16. So it's 2 times 16, and that's equal to 32. So that's sure. All right, go ahead and try that one. Given that a asterisk b is equal to ab minus b over a, find the value of 4 asterisk a. I've done this on my channel many times. Go ahead and attempt it. You have 1 minute to do that, all right? Rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. Like it now, guys, or you don't like the video yet? Come on, man. Like the video, please. Need the support. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, I'm not getting paid. Let's go. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna come. I hope it don't mess up the internet. All right. So this one, Sanjay, make sure the door is closed. So let's put in what we know, A, B. So we know, so this is A and this is B, and we are supposed to multiply 4 times 8, because it's a AB, minus 8 upon 4. So what we do this part first. You don't necessarily have to do this part first. Just need like get rid of that. So this gives us 8 minus 2. 8 divided by that gives us 2. So it's 32 minus 2. 32 minus 2 is equal to 30. So answer is 30. I'm not doing a good job of make sure that the thing is focusing. I'm not doing a good job of that. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I want you guys to see every step I'm doing. All right, so it's a 4, 8 is 32. 8 divided by 4, that gives us 2. And 32, take away 2 is equal to 30. I need to do a better job. I will do a better job. I will look, all right? Let's move on to number 5. Zoning. This one says, given that 4 over x plus 3 over y is equal to 7 over t, and we're supposed to make t the subject of the formula. Now, as I always, go ahead and do it. I almost forget. I'm in a working mood, but you guys go ahead and do it. It's a team effort, all right, guys? We need to compare answers. All right, let's go ahead now. By now, you guys should have been finished. It's not very hard, or don't let me catch you back. All right, and if you're watching the video playback, you can actually ensure that you pause the video and try. All right, so let's go. Let's rewrite. So it's 4 over x plus 3 over y is equal to 7 over t. And remember, we're trying to make t the subject of the formula. But before we focus on that, let us bring them to a common denominator. The denominator would be all of this, x, y, t. We don't know the values. Whatever the value is, we know that it's x, y, t, right? That's the value, the LCM. So x into this would leave, cross out the x, so we left with yt. So up here, we multiply by y times t, and the 4 times yt will give us 4yt. All right, put the plus onto the y now. Y would cancel out, that will left xt, so that's 3xt, and then we divide by t now. T into this would leave 7x, not 7x, xy. So we would leave times this now by xy, and that will give us 7xy. All right, let us put them, rewrite this, drop the denominator. So it's yt plus 3xt equals 7xy. Now remember our objective. Our objective is to get y, not y, t by itself. Let's write a property. We're supposed to get t by itself. So what we can do is to factor out t. T is common to here and here. Oh God. So we're running. I don't know what's happening to this red marker. So we factor out the t, and then we cancel t into all of that. That leaves 4y plus 3x, and this is equal to 7xy. We still don't get x by itself. We still don't get t by itself. So what we do now, we factor out the t, right? T is common to both, but we still don't get the answer, right? So what we can do now is to say this is times, so we divide by 4y. No, something else here. 3x. And what you do to one side, you do to both sides. And that is our answer to make. Let's rewrite it. So t is a subject now, 7xy upon 4y plus 3x. And that is our answer. I hope you guys got that. All right. So we're on to number 6 now, and you guys are supposed to try this one on your own, as usual. Just get these well neat up. All right, go ahead and do this one now. So it says simplify 9x squared minus y squared divided by 9x plus 3y. So go ahead and do that one. Rain is stopping now. I have 2 minutes to complete that one. All right, guys, only 2 minutes. You don't need more than that. And remember, the instruction says simplify. So go ahead and simplify that one. 9x squared minus y squared divided by 9x plus 3y. Remember to share the video. Put it on WhatsApp status, please. By now, you should have been finished. So let's go. All right. So we can just look at it, right? So we have 9x squared, we have 9x. So we can say x cancel x. So that would leave 1x, right? 9 into itself 1, 9 into itself 1. All right. So we're left with x up there. So, all right. Right now, we can say y into y squared would leave y. So basically finish. So it should be x minus y upon 3. And that's it. Easy marks. All right. Go ahead and try this one now. This one says x plus 2 minus m over 3. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. What do we do when we get a fraction? Adding and subtracting. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. 30-second leave. 30-second leave. Let's go. You can do this. You can do this. Sunday vibes. Sunday vibes. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Make sure you like the video if you never liked it before. That's all I get, guys. That's the view and the likes. Encourage me, please. I need it. All right. Time is up. So let's go. I'm hoping you guys would have done this. Guys, whenever you get a fraction, once you have a maths and it involves fraction, right? What I want you guys to always do is to, if it's a fraction and it's add and subtraction, we must get rid of, we must find the LCM rather, the lowest common multiple. So what we have to do here is to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. All right, lowest number that can go into 2 and 3 without a remainder, that would be 6. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, so put the 3 right there. But this means you're supposed to multiply 3 times x and 3 times 2. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6. All right, so 3 into this goes 2 times, but remember this is a negative, so this is negative 2. So negative 2, a negative times a positive gives you what? Very good, a negative. So that gives us negative 2m. All right, look at this closely, guys. There's no like terms. Remember the rule say we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. So what we can do to make it a little bit pretty, what we can do is to bring all the letters, the one with the letters together. So what we can do is to say that 3x minus 2m plus 6. It look better so? Upon 6. But that's about it. It is actually finished from here. This is the answer. But if you want, you can just put it like this to make it look kind of more uniform. All right, let's move on to sheet 7. I'm hoping you guys make sure you're drinking your water. Make sure you guys taking your vitamins and so forth. It's very important. Studying takes a lot out of you. You should know that, guys. Make sure you're taking a lot of fluid. Make sure you're getting a lot of sleep. Make sure you're having a little fun. Things that your parents permit. All right, that's fun. Whether Netflix, whatever. But make sure you're having little fun. Don't just work, and then you get tired and think say it's all about that. You have to balance it, all right? Just like an equation. All right, this one says expand 2x plus 5, 3x minus 4. So go ahead and do that. 2 more minutes. Post the answer, guys. Post the answer. Let's go, let's go. This could be your actual exam. I did say you're gonna do your exam on this channel before you actually go to CSEC, and I meant it, all right? I meant it. No topic is out of bound. Every topic is touchable. Let's go, let's go. What do we do when we are supposed to expand? Remember, share, guys. Share on your social media. Help me. Not many persons will do what I'm doing, honestly. Not many persons have the dedication, the love for people like I do. Not bragging or boasting, but it's the fact. All right, so let us expand now. You guys should have been finished by now. I'm just gonna use the block to show you what I'm doing, all right? So what we're doing is to multiply this by all of the brackets. So let me just rewrite it. So 2x, this here, I'm gonna put it in red. I hope it don't flood up the place. So 3x minus 4, and then we use plus 5. So then it's plus 5 times all of this again. I'm just using the color, different colors, so people can kind of just see what I'm doing. All right, just to assist you guys. All right, so let's expand the bracket now. So it's 2x times everything, and then plus 5 times everything. Then we group the like terms, and that's it. So this is 3. All right, so 2x times that will give us 6x squared. 2x times negative 4. Remember, positive times a negative give you what? Always a negative. The only time we get a positive is when both signs are the same. All right, so 5x times 5 times 3x, that would give us 15x, and 5 times 4 would give us negative 20. So I to me right, peeps. Come to me. I'm tired already. Oh man, I have more to do. Come on, Mr. Penny. All right. So now we have this. We can look and see that these are like terms. These are unlike terms. So we're always gonna have but these. So it's 6x squared minus 20. And then we just work out now the middle. This is the same thing as saying 15 minus 8, you know. It's negative 8 plus 15 is the same thing as 15 minus 8. So that will give us positive 7x. Remember, we keep the sign of the bigger one at all times. All right, guys? All right, go ahead now and factorize this one. This one says 3x squared minus 21x. You have 1 minute to do that. That is very simple. So 1 minute, only 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go, Raptors. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We can do this, we can do this, we can pass this exam. You can get that distinction. Guys, you know, let me start rapping now. Come on, guys, come on. You make me a rap. Make me a DJ and start something. Start out that simple something there. Big up everyone who joined. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me tonight. So I gotta appreciate that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Distinction that we are free. Distinction that we are free. We are aiming for the maximum, not the minimum. Aim for the maximum. As a massacre say, reach for the sky. If you feel, touch a star. Man a king in our earth, yeah. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Big up Shelly and Fraser Price. Love how you go on. Big up all of the athletes them. Love how you go on. Big up the past athletes them. You see them both. Maurice Smith. Yeah. The only one. Big up yourself. 10 farmer different competition in my alone do. Deca, that mean 10. How much that, you know? Yeah. You go put yourself. All right. So let's do this now. So we have 3x squared minus 21x. Now, if you look closely, what we do, we check the number to see what number can go into 3 and 21 without a remainder. And that will be 3, right? So that's common. But you have to take out things that are common. Ladies, please don't be common. All right, girls? Don't be no commoners. All right. X is also common. So we can put the x there. And then now we are going to say 3x into this. So we're going to divide 3x squared by 3x. So that's going to just leave the x alone. Because the 3 will cancel the 3. And x will cancel that. So that's going to have x. 3x into 21. It's going to leave. The x will cancel the x. And 3 into 21 goes 7 times. And that will be our answer. 3 marks if CSEC give you that this year. All right. I want you guys to do this one now. A to the cube minus 12a. Let's go. One minute again, guys. 1 minute. Come on. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Let's go. 1 minute is almost up. Who finished? Type it in, guys. Type it in. Who got type it in first? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Big up everybody on the channel, right? Although I can't get to see it now, but big up everybody. I gotta text you then. All right, guys. It's gonna be a premiere, and I will be texting. So any questions, just put your questions. I will be texting with you also. I will be watching and texting at the same time. Big up on yourself. Don't know, you know, Mr. Benny thing, no, man, you know. Don't know who telling you that. So our normal maths teacher this. Put in with all 100%. Guys, when you get any result, you not even have to share it to me if you don't want to. Up to Uno. You get what I say? I just want to say me do my part, which is to help you guys right through until the exam date. Alright? Remember, I'm gonna be on my channel on Tuesday. Exam will be on Wednesday. I will be on my channel from 4 p.m. till you say when. So it depends on how much time you want to do. We'll do a complete revision. And we know the shapes already, oh. So anything no normal. Yeah. Alright. So look at this one now. A is common right here and A is there, so we can take it out. Because factorize mean common. So we take out the common A. We can't take out A cube because A cube cannot go into A, right? So it's just A alone. Just in case somebody wondering. So that into that will leave A square minus A, cancel the A, 12. And we're done with this. So 3 marks that. All right. Now I want you guys to do a little factorization for me. Let's go. Can you factorize this? You know, like old time songs say, can you factorize this? If not, what's gonna happen in exam? So factorize 4g squared minus 4z squared. No need to fear, Mr. Venice is here. Let's get ready to rumble. Big up my friend from Barbados. Big up my friend from Trinidad. Big up my friend from Colombia. Big up my friend from Belize. Big up everyone from Canada. Big up all the maths teacher them who support me and so forth. Big up USA, my students them. Kerry Morgan. Yeah. Wanna worry yourself, you know, make a lot this tongue for your son. Yeah. Take your thing serious, you know, guys. Alright. So let's go now. So we have 4g squared minus 4c squared. What's the answer for that, guys? What's the answer for that? What do you do? Let's go, let's go. Type it in, guys. Type in the answer. What do you get? Let's discuss it. No need to shy. Big up everybody. I never call the Philippines and Greece, from country there, where I get support from. If I miss anyone, sorry about that. I don't really have a list, I'm just freestyling. All right. If you had noticed, this is actually the difference of 2 squared. So all we have to do is to just simply find the square root of this and the square root of this, right? So this what number you multiply to give you 4g squared, and that would be a 2g. So 2g I got the there, so one time I got the there. So all right, let's go on to the C now. what you multiply to give you a 4c square? Not 2c, but 1 must be minus because this is a subtraction. So this would be plus 2c and minus 2c. And we are finished. Put the bracket to show that it's expansion. And that's it. All right, go ahead and try this one now. 3x squared minus 6. 3x squared minus 7x minus 6. Now I'm going to give you 3 minutes for this one. Go ahead, let me get the clock. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go. I know the ship's already down. I know the ship's already. All right, so let's go. Do some light, you know? Place to kind of dark. All right. So let's look at this one now. 3x squared. So first we deal with ABC. Everyone should know that. So it will be 3x squared times this. That will give us 3x squared times negative 6. That gives us negative 18x squared. So 1 times 9, 1 times 18, 2 times 9. So already we can see a 2 times 9, right? But which one must be negative? One of them must be negative because it's a negative 7x we get. So which one must be negative? Must the bigger one, right? Which is 9. So we say 3x squared minus 9x plus 2x. I see this is the value of negative, but minus 6. Put our bracket, take out the highest common factor. So what's the highest number that can go into 3 and 9? That would be 3. Very good. And x is common to both. So this will leave x. That x cancels x, 3 into 9, that minus 3. Put the plus sign. What's the highest number that can go into 2 and 6? That would be 2, correct? X is not common, just 2 alone, right? And then we say 2x in 2 into 2x leave x. 2 into negative 6 leave negative 3. Guys, once you see you get this, you get your full marks, all right? Once you see you get this, you get your full marks. So it's x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. Remember what we did here? We take out the highest common factor, which is 3. X is common to both. Then we say 3x into this, leave x. 3x into that, leave minus 3. And then 2 now, take out the 2. 2 into that, leave x. 2 into 6, leave 3. And then we write what's inside the bracket. Once I get this, you are correct. So it's x minus 3, common to both. We take it out. As remember, it's about common things, right? And then what's outside the bracket? Look up yourself, Kiana. Bruh. Yeah. So that gives us x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. Johnson, big up yourself too. Oh, you know, I actually have 2 number 9. So on to number 9. Number 9, number 1. All right, and let's hide this because I don't want you guys to get mixed up at all. So this says 8x minus 2. 8x minus 2 bracket 3x. So we know we have to deal with the bracket first. We could deal with the bracket grimy. So negative 2 times that gives us negative 6. Guys, remember, pause the video and try. Those who are on the live, go ahead and do it. All right? Should have done already. Negative 2 times that give us positive 16. So this gives us 8x minus 6. Oh, x must stay here, so is equal to 1. So let's go now. So 8x, it's already true. So 8x minus 6x. This is a plus 16. So we'll get rid of the 16. So it will be 1. This will become minus. So it's minus 15. Or minus 16 from this side. Yes, what I do? I think about the answer, you know. Actually 16. What we do, guys, is what we did was to do simple minus 16 because it's the opposite, right? All right. So now 8x minus 6x, that will give us 2x, and that will give us negative 15. Let's divide by 2. So x is equal to negative 7.5. Or if you want like fraction, 7.5. All right. All right. So let us attack this one. This one says 2 bracket 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. Go ahead and do it. And then we come right back. All right, guys. How much time you need to do that? How much time do you need to complete? How much time do you need? What's in the answer then what you get, guys? What do you get? What is your answer and why? Don't rub it out if I see somebody have a different answer. All right. So everyone should be finished by now, right? It's just a simple equation. You must can do that, man. I don't understand what you did that. Let's go and do this, all right? Where's the answers? I don't see any answers coming in. What is wrong with these young people, man? Madam, I put on there and come on, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so we expand the bracket. So it will be 2 times 3x, which is 6x, 2 times 1, which is 2, and is equal to x plus 2. All right, so we can simply just group the like terms. So 6x, we bring over this x, so minus x is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 5x. Something all right with this now. Something all right, yes, sir. I'm not sure why I'm getting this now, guys. But this now, right. That implies x is 0, but that can't be true. If you put 0 here, so you'll get 3 times 0 is 0. Oh, yeah, it is right. This is indeed DD correct. Stupid Mr. Benny. I was thinking that I'm saying 2 times 0, but no, it is indeed correct. Let me just prove it since I made a make a fuss. This would equal to 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that's given 1, and 2 ones 2, and over here, so it will be 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. So therefore, x is equal to 0. So 0 is our answer. All right. Sometimes I do make mistakes, guys. I'm only human. Rihanna, big up yourself. I know you'll be searching for my mistakes. I appreciate you so much. Yeah. Can't wait for you to reach 11th grade. This will be a breeze. All right. All right, let's go now. Let's go. For the bright students, we have enough peeps. If you not come and brag on them thing, you know what I mean? We brag about them CSEC. When the CSEC result come out, trust me. And you see me I brag about my students them. Just know some hard work we put in. Some hard work we put in. Anytime you hear me start brag. Yeah. All right. So go ahead and do this one. It's 7 minus 4x greater than 15. Let's do it, roll it, rumble. There's already a trick to that one, you know. I want to see how you guys handle it. Post it in the group, make me see. Oh no, handle it, handle it, handle it. Can you handle it? Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Post the answer what you get. Post the answer what you get. No need to fret, no need to fret. I bet you pass. I bet 8. When you get. Post the answer what you get. We are most rich, number 10. Number 10, then number 11. And then 12. We now go for no more. Just at 12 we are stop today. 12 we are stop today. Big up everybody we like the video. Share it so more people can learn. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you learn, the more you the more you learn, and the more you are gonna earn. Don't be impatient, just wait your turn. Wait your turn, wait your turn, wait your turn. As soon your time, just earn. But no, if you just know, just go on, learn, 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 learn. All right. Don't know, guys, math's boring and things, so you just have to try if you do as much as you can to make it a little bit exciting and things. You know? All right, let's focus now. Let's zoom in. What did you guys get? Post the answers. So much people online. Post the rest of the answers. Where are the answers, guys? Post them, man. Come on, let's go, let's go. I get 30 seconds to post it. And a joke thing, listen on, guys, and a joke thing. And thank you guys for making this channel fabulous. Thank you so much for making this channel fabulous. Fabulous like fabulous, ooh. Fabulous like fabulous, ooh. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. So it's a solve. All right. So let us examine this one now. Thanks for posting the answers. The persons who are on the live. Remember, I'm not. This is recorded, right? It's premiere, so I'm not actually here live, but it's a premiere. So it's gonna be like a live, but it's not live. It's premiere. So I'll be texting you guys. So I can't know if you actually post. All right. But thanks if you post, and if you post in your mind, thanks same way. All right, so let's go now. So what we need to do, we need to get x by itself. All right. So this is negative 4x. So we can get rid of this 7, right? By taking the inverse, which is minus 7. I know you guys did this. So it's negative 4x greater than 50 minus 7. That gives us 8. But hey, but you guys didn't know when you're dividing by a negative, you have to change the sign. So instead of greater than, so my notive knows that greater than that, you know, you have to change it. So x is less than negative 2. So guys, the sign, once it's a negative, you're dividing by, the sign have to change, right? This is a greater than. And if you know what I'm saying, if you use F on your handicap, not that Mr. Bennett agree with that, all right? I don't agree with that at all. You're not no handicap. I just left on your use. What's wrong with that? All right, let's go with this now. So x is less than or equal, not less than or equal. X is less than negative 2. All right. So let us solve. Go ahead and solve this simultaneous equation. What will be the value of x and what will be the value of y if 2x plus 3y is equal to 18 and x plus 5y is equal to 23. Let's go, let's go. 3 minutes for that. Can you do it? I bet Sir Johnson on the live. I bet Johnson on the live. I bet Sinead Taylor on the live also. We have some people joining, you know. Abby, big up yourself. Abby, big up yourself. Shayuna, big up yourself. China never come on my live it, you know. Tajay, warm to you. You know, come on my live again, brother. What's that? This you Leon, man. Me not lie. Me impressed with that little youth, you know. Me sorry never teach him long time. Big up yourself, Leon. You know you go watch. Some people you know you go watch. As them tell you, you know. The rest of you big up yourself same way. Big up Shanae, mommy. You always text for me live. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah. I can't do it without you, you know, guys. I cannot. Deslandes, big up yourself too. Six Farmer. Brilliant youth, man. Brilliant youth. You know? Big up yourself. He's like family. You have more family to you know. What if people rate me, you know? Alicia Williams, big up yourself. Real girl that. Big up the entire Michael family, you know what I mean? Big up Maurice. Yeah. CMU. Taylor from UE. What if people me teach, you know? I think so the thing normal, guys. Thing normal, you know. 6 universities. Just I'm not teach everybody, but we teach 6 universities, students from 6 universities. Maths is a universal thing. All right. Enough with the IP. Just like give you time for it, right? So I'm assuming that you guys would have multiplied by 1 and by 2. Why would we do that? Because we want to get both of them to be 2. So let's go. Now that they're 2, what do we do? All right, so 1 times anything is anything. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 18, and then 2 times that will give us 2x. Remember, that's why we do it, so these can be the same, all right? 2 times that will be 10y, and 2 times 23, that's about 46. All right, so now we're going to actually subtract, because these are the same, and we want to eliminate x. Eliminate the x, all right, guys? If them unproductive, eliminate them. So we subtract, but what we do, we have to do it with r, right? So it's like we have to do it with r. So 2x minus that will give you 0. That will give you 7y minus 7y in fact, plus 3y minus 10y is going to give us negative 7y. And then now we say 18 minus 46. That gives us negative 28. So it's negative 28. So guys, you already see the answer, right? So 7y equal negative 28. How do we just divide by negative 7? What the fuss about? So y is equal to that, cancel that. So y of 4. So if we get y of 4, you know, can get x easy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Take any one of the equation, and that's it. So it would, we take the first one. So 2x plus 3y equal 18. Remember, we know the value of y, so we're going to just put in that. So 2x plus 3 times 4 equal 18. So 2x plus 3 fours 12 is equal to 18. So let me write it now. 2x plus 12 equal 18. Let's rewrite it. So I get rid of the 12 by minus 12. So I get 2x is equal to 18 minus 12. And that gives us about 6. Yeah. And 2x into 6. So we divide by 2. And we get x is equal to 3. Can you believe it? X is 3. Let us check to see if it is indeed correct. Now, guys, to check it, how we do with this, all right? 2 plus 3 times whatever. If it give us 18, then we know it's partially correct. So x was 3, so we put 3 right here, so y are 4, so we put 4 there. So 2, 3 is 6, 3, 4 is 12. That not equal to 18? Yes. But we could just check for the last one, just in case. So 2x plus, no, I just x alone, you know. It's just x plus 5y. But this can right now. What was one? What was the original? So x plus 5y. All right. So what is x? Let us see. X was 3. So put 3 here, so, and y was 4. So it's 3 plus 5 times 4. So it's 3 plus 5 times 4 is 20. So this gives us 23. Who get that for real? Who did get the right answer for that one then? Me and one no man. All right, big up on yourself, guys. Just 2 more questions to go. All right, I want actually that the number 11 before number 10. No, go ahead and do this. So let us see what rule would you use. That's the hint. What rule would you use? If I rule you, I would free all of my thugs. Yeah. All right, let's go, guys. So it given that BAC is equal to 45, ACB is equal to 70, BC is equal to length that now is equal to 290 meters. Take out your calculator. You're going to need it now. All right, let's get ready for this one. Is big. After this, it will be one more, and then we go. And indeed, it is a wonderful afternoon. Well, a night, you know, go see this. So it's indeed a wonderful night. All right, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, make sure you share it, same way, you know. Share it on social media. Other people want help. They need help too. Please share with your colleagues, share with your friends, share with your neighbor, share with your church member. Share it, share it, share it. Sharing is caring. All right. So let's go. All right. So let's go now. Let us put in what we know. I'm assuming that you guys go ahead and do all of that. I'm giving it two more minutes. Yeah, 2 more minutes to finish. Take out your calculator. Jolly girl, jolly, jolly, triangle. Ready, guys? Let's ready. All right. So we're gonna put in what we know. So we know that the letter in the middle, that's where the angle will be. So like when you have BAC, it would be at C. So it's right here, so 45. Remember that. And AC, so hold on there. No, I'm saying one, two, three. That BA, no, hold on there. A 45, so this is C. So 70 for there, so don't you want here. All right, so this is 70 degrees, right? And BC, which is here, so at 12. Number 12. 290. All right. And they ask us to calculate right here, which is AB. Now, I know my students know that is a sine rule for this. I'm just write it over here, so if you never know, check out my sine rule video. It's very good. I might add, not because I mimic them, but it's very good. All right, so let us see. So it's AB. It's the side over the angle, sine 70. And that is equal to, I mean, I can shell down this, is equal to 290 over sine 45. Remember, guys, it's the opposite angle over the opposite side over the opposite angle. So now we can just cross multiply. So it will be AB times sin 45, and that is equal to 290 times sin 70. And now we want to get AB by itself, or the length by itself, so we just simply divide by this. Because at times we divide over the to one side, we do to the next side. Are we on the east side? And this now you're going to use your calculator that your mother or father bought for you to calculate this. All right. I had to buy my home calculator. Guys, you know, so me buy everything. Me buy them paper, yeah. Well, the marker St. Mary's College, you know. Big up yourself, St. Mary's College. Big up yourself, St. Mary's College. So it's 939. Let's run it off to 7. All right. All right, let us look at sin 45. 0.7071. All right, because it's a 0 there. All right, I'm just gonna put everything in the calculator because I don't have the space, and then get the answer. So it's 290 times 0.9397. That give me 272.513, and then we just divide by 0.7071. Make a mistake, 071. And that gives me 385. Who get that? Nobody. Because you never know if you use the sign rule, I bet. Or we can put it to 40 if you want. 2 place. Or 0.4 if I want decimal place. And now the moment you all been waiting for. The final piece. Or should I do another one after this one? Let us go. And it is not matrices, but it is function. So the last one is function. And I think that I am going to use a different piece of paper to do it because I want the space, man. And this does not allow me to have the space. You Jamaicans are the best in the whole wide world. I want to say I appreciate you guys and stuff like that. Thank you for liking Mr. Bennett channel. We really appreciate you all. All right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So it asks us for F2. Now, all we're doing is to substitute in f of x. In f of x equal 5x. So it basically has a 5 times 2 hour. No long chatting. No 10. G2. Where G said 2 minus 2. No 0. No 3 marks this. You can't come joke with Mr. Bennett. CSEC test. And I get distinction. Come on, guys. We got this. We got this. We got this. It's going to be so easy. All right. So now it's a proof. So we already know the answer. It's supposed to be 5. So you have to show them G of F negative, which that means the inverse. Let me just put this right here, so I give you guys 2 more minutes to do this. Guys, thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing and telling other people about this wonderful channel we have in Jamaica. Guys, more and more poor people to know about it now. Please just help me share it, all right? Please, we need you know. I need you guys. You're already supporting, but I need more support. All right, I'm giving you guys time to finish this one for the grand finale. You know what? Let me do our next matrices. Let me do our matrices. My sister only don't want to left the live, you know. My sister only don't want to left the live. All right, let's go, let's go. What did you guys get? Post the answer. G of F inverse negative, G of F inverse 23, prove that it's equal to 5. So Bennett, in 1 minute, Mr. Bennett will prove it. Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, since as you guys want more, I'm going to do a matrices. That means it's only thing that I didn't do that's in compulsory is the vectors. I didn't do any vectors today. I have vectors video. Guys, please like the video when you it's almost 300 videos. Guys, if you do not like the video, CSEC, not see you both CSEC, you won't. YouTube not gonna show, YouTube gonna hide the video from you. The more you like it, the more one gonna pop up, and a popular one too. Which means that probably that one is going to make you pass the exam. So just like the video them. As you watch one, wait for 30 seconds and you like it. So when you come up and you come on back again on YouTube, this one video was very popular, come up from Mr. Bennett. All right. And you know, so the thing them do proper. Guys, 30,000 people feel the video, you know. So Bennett try to help. There's only 1,000 people upon this, so I'm the other 29,000. We need them. All right, let's go. So first, we're gonna look back at how we do this. So we're gonna find g of x, gf first. And to do that, we can just simply say g of f of x. All right, so f, right about the last function, which is f, and that is 5x. All right. And then now, this one now, we're gonna write g. Now this is already x. So g say x minus 2. So this is x, right? So it goes minus 2. And this is g of f of something there. That's a g of f of x. This is the answer for the first part, right? But no, we're not finished. We must find the inverse of this. So what we can do is to simply change it to y. So y is equal to 5x minus 2. And then now we interchange x for y and y for x. So x here, so 5y minus 2. And we just solve for y. We make y the subject of the formula. So we get rid of the minus 2 and we get rid of the 5. So this would be x plus 2. So we'll get rid of that. But now, this is times. So we, what's the opposite of multiply? We don't divide by 5. So this is the g of f of inverse, which is x plus 2 upon 5. But what they asked us for? 23. So anywhere we say x, we put the 23. So 23. How will this? 23 plus 2 hour. 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 5. So it is proven, guys. It is proven by you. So this is the answer. 5 is the answer. 25 divided by 5, no 5. Yeah, man. I eat that. I eat. Yeah, so we no learn for national name. Yeah, so we no learn. Make it still a little longer for you see. All right. Let's go now. Let's go. All right. So this one now is going to be the last one, guys. It's going to be the last one. You have to prove that this 8 times the inverse of a is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So when we do that, we're supposed to get that. All right, so let us find the inverse. So first, we find the, we could figure out b because of the b we are looking for, that's a. So find the determinant. The determinant is every matrix in other form here, A, B, C, D. So we basically say AD minus BC, and this can be a little bit tricky. So it's 2 times 5 minus is a part of the formula. 3 times negative 4. Very tricky, you know, guys. 2, 5 are 10 minus 3, 4, 9, negative 12. So we add them, we get 22 because this is going to become plus. So the inverse would be 1 over 22. We swap the position of A and D. So 5 I go up there, so we're 2 did there. But you're now watching, guys. Now we take the sign of this, change the sign, and multiply by negative 1. So this is a negative 3, it's a positive 4. And we multiply it by the original, which is 2, 3, negative 4, and 5. So why I choose this one is like we're doing a lot. We're doing multiplication plus inverse. So we put up this in our rows. The first one must be in rows, and the next one must be in column. Column is upright, so we must do that. Again, thanks St. Mary's College for the marker. And peeps, I don't live St. Mary. It's St. Catherine, alright? A lot of people asking about St. Mary. I've never been to St. Mary. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. And 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 3 times that is minus 15. All right, so 4 twos, 8. Remember, row by column. 4 times 2 and 2 times that is 8. I answer that there already. 4 threes, 12. 2 times 5, that's 10. So basically, remember this is 1 over 22. So this give me 22 here, so 0 this, so 0 this, and 22. So I divide by 22, and this give me 1, 0, 0, 1. Remember, 0 can be divided by a number, but you cannot divide by 0 because 0 is a big fat nothing. Let me see now on kiddies something. But 0 is a big fat nothing. Americans are the best. You guys are different. I have to give you the props. We have come to the end of the live for today. I want to thank everyone for joining my live. I really appreciate you guys, and I really do. Thanks everyone. I really appreciate you. I know a lot of you guys giving me support. When you support me, you're not just supporting me, you're supporting the entire St. Mary's College, because if and when I start earning from YouTube, I will just use the money to buy more resources. To helping my son. You know, I'm a single dad and I have to do what I have to do. So thanks again, guys. And you're actually helping yourself. And I hope you help your parents. Because when I get your job, because you know, if you get your distinction, things are gonna be much easier for you in terms of university entry, sixth form entry, and all of those things. You're going to be cut above the rest. All right, so definitely just give your parents a helping hand. For the boys them, don't bother say, yeah, my girl, acting on me, yo, I have to do her hair, I have to do her nails, I have to do her, I have to buy her shoes, I have to buy a matching bag. I can't find out for mama now. You see me? Mama struggle. I care about mama. Don't do it, guys. Help who you can. Help your parents, help your father. Help the people who help you to get where you are. And then I'm gonna say teachers, you know, because that's our job to just teach you. Just that some of us kind of do it a little bit extra, like me, you know what I mean? But it is my job. I'm not expecting any reward or anything from you guys, you understand? But be grateful for the people who in your life who support you, who help to push you and all of that. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, everyone. Look out for me next live. Continue to share and so forth. And I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody big up themselves. Any country, they big up yourself.